Hey, what's going on, guys? TCG player finally back after a little while. Just to let you all know, this is gonna be my last video for a while. Fortunately, I can't afford to buy mini packs at the moment, or any at all. But I got 2 packs. It's gonna be my last 2 packs for a while. So let's get into these and see what I can get. Start off with the first one. Energy. Larvitar. Volcarona. Audition. Toxtricity. TTT. Hi, caramba. Alright, maybe the second pack might give us something. Hopefully, I don't know. Oh, I might have something. Hold on. Fire Energy, Toxel, Bisharp, Solrock, Darkrai. Ooh, Decidueye EX and a Darkrai reverse. Oh, crud. Claydol is also a reverse rare, so that was pretty nice. That pack did some good because it gave me my favorite starter from Sun and Moon. Because the Sidge Rowlet was the one I chose for Moon. Not Ultra Moon, because I wanted to do a different starter on Ultra Moon, but yeah, pretty cool. Well, get these sleeved up here. I think I got the Darkrai Hollow. I can't remember. I think there's like a hollow version of this Darkrai in Obsidian Flames. I still wanted to get Paldea Evolved for Ewok because I still got that Raichu I want to get. But hopefully I can keep finding more later on when I have the money to, and I can buy a pack here and there to hopefully try to pull it, because I really want to pull it. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that short little video. Got the Darkrai reverse rare, the Claydol reverse rare, and the nice Decidueye. Catch you on the next one.